Why did Ombudsman Samuel Martires suspend Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia just days before the May 12 elections? And did that action break election laws? This is the question now stirring heated debate across the country, especially in Cebu, where the governor is known for her strong support of President Bongbong Marcos. The controversy centers on a decision by the Office of the Ombudsman to impose a preventive suspension on Governor Garcia, citing her alleged administrative violation over a construction permit issued to a private firm without clearance from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. But here's the critical detail. The suspension order was served just 13 days before the elections, during the official election period, when Section 261 of the Omnibus Election Code strictly prohibits suspending any elected official without prior approval from the Commission on Elections. That's because any such suspension can be seen as interfering with or influencing the outcome of an election. Governor Garcia has called the move illegal and politically motivated, saying the charges against her are administrative and don't warrant immediate suspension, especially during such a sensitive time. She's now filed a formal complaint with the Comelec, asserting that Ombudsman Martires committed an electoral offense by not seeking Comelec's clearance first. That's a direct challenge not just to the suspension itself, but to the integrity of the process behind it. Now let's look deeper. Ombudsman Samuel Martires was appointed by former President Rodrigo Duterte, and his term has been widely marked by criticism that he is more supportive of Duterte than impartial. In fact, cases linked to Duterte and his allies have mostly stalled or been left unresolved under his watch. Meanwhile, new cases that do move forward tend to involve figures who aren't connected to the previous administration. This contrast has raised serious questions about selective justice. And in the case of Governor Garcia, herself an ally of the current administration, it's even more surprising that Martires took such swift action without Comelec approval. The duty of the Ombudsman will expire on July 2025. Here's another issue. Violating the Omnibus Election Code isn't just a technicality, it's a serious electoral offense. If proven, it could open Martires up to administrative or even criminal liability. Legal experts say the law is very clear. No elected official may be suspended during an election period without Comelec's go-ahead. And yet, in this case, no such clearance was secured. So now we're left with a troubling situation. A sitting governor suspended days before voters head to the polls. An ombudsman accused of breaking election law. And a growing sense that this isn't just about environmental permits, but possibly about political positioning as the power landscape shifts. In the end, the real question is, was justice truly served, or was the law bent for convenience? We'll keep watching as this unfolds, because when election laws are challenged, what's at stake isn't just one local race. It's the credibility of our democratic system. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this video. To our new subscribers, welcome, and we appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to AngKampanero, Tinig ng Katotohanan, Tunog ng Kasaysayan for more updates and in-depth stories that matter.